morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Risk Flare, Eduardo, Xer DJ, Paul Yoon, TW, Bear Goes Long, Mike, Vibe Trade, Brian, Jay Prowse, Hockey Shane, Jay Luce, Genic, July Peppers, Yama, SW, Vepa, DC Trades, Tyler Did, Steph H, or Steph F, Enzo Trader, Tadas, Bonafides, Rad Trader Matt, Allergic Rabbit, TDC for Life, Silent NW, good morning, Kid Poker, Denver Cups, Olivier, good morning, Michael, Loricella, good morning, Jacob, Trader Moose, Fritz, Rule 1 Investor, good morning, everybody. Look at this choppy mess in NQ right now. Holy shit. What a mess. Silver's going. Gold is kind of doing the WD down here. Wow, silver's perking up. No trades yet for me either. Day Trader Rick, good morning. Morals Matters. After that move yesterday, we may be in for a bumpy ride today. We might be. We have, I'm not sure if it's coming out, but supposedly at 8:15, we're going to have the ADP non-farm employment change. What's up, Mr. 10P? Morals Matter. Jay Cuervo, push with the pull. Medi, Starly, FX Bendy, Jave, GD Grinder, Cam Dingo, good morning. What is happening? Woo! Bringing that early morning energy. NASDAQ looks like it's going a little bit here. We've been trying to break down those 400s. I want to see if we can actually hold below 6950 in the S&Ps here. It is starting to roll a little bit. There's a bidder right there at 69.48 evens in the S&Ps, so I think that's going to buoy the market for now. Uh, 69.47 half. What is this? 40. What price is that? 69.47 halves right now. So, I'm not sure. Does anybody know if the ADP non-farm employment change is actually coming out today at 8:15? Who knows? Rip's TBT video is all good in the hood. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a comment if you haven't already. We are auctioning through that 69.47 halves level right now, but we're not slamming through it. So it's kind of dancing around that area right now. How bad was that Globex session? I should have never streamed that Globex session. That was horrible. And now I'm like on very little sleep because of it. That was one of the worst Globex sessions I've ever seen in my life. What a waste of an hour that was. I was so exhausted too by the time I came to that stream. Doing 3 streams in a day is fucking insane, by the way. People don't think streaming is hard, but I streamed for 7 hours yesterday. It was so fucking hard. It's a lot, dude. To do that all. Yeah, mental capital, insane. Yeah, there was no movement in Globex. I've never seen anything like that, especially since the Monday Globex session was so good. Like Monday's session was so good, and yesterday's Globex was like nobody was there. It was crazy. Yeah, gold moved at 7. I did see that, but yeah, outside of that, it was just hot garbage, dude. So we are chopping lower. Tech has been coming lower pretty much all night. Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, all coming lower. S&Ps are at the VWAP right now. NASDAQ is kind of below the VWAP. So S&Ps, if it does kind of hold above this, there's a good chance it'll bounce back up. Silver looking to break the daily high. I don't know what I could trade silver in that would be safe. I don't know where I can trade micro silver. I can trade it on TPT. If I can trade it on Lucid, I have no idea. So I think it's probably just best that I stay away from that. I don't want to be able to trade it in one firm and then try to trade it in another and then have it be a fucking nightmare. Lido, you're up. Good. Yesterday, I remember you were bitching and moaning in chat all day long. I'm happy to see that you're positive. Does anybody know if ADP is coming out today? ADP non-farm at 8:15. We're going to find out in 7 minutes. I'm just curious if anybody actually knows. What's up, Go Hard Greg? L-Rap, good morning. You heard it isn't? Okay. Yeah, I've heard mixed reviews on whether or not it's coming out. Yeah, Microsoft's still coming down. Nvidia's still coming down here. We are below 69.50 in the S&Ps, so. We are right at the daily open. I could see this going down to 360, but no, I think ADP is reporting. Hold on. I think ADP is reporting. Okay. No trades yet. Just watching. Even though the government shutdown ended, I don't think that we're going to get non-farm on Friday. I still don't think that's going to happen. But we'll see. I'm open for anything, dude. Whatever happens, happens, right? S&Ps are still coming down. We are just auctioning up and down here around 385. In the NAS, we're seeing Meta coming down. We're seeing Nvidia coming down. Microsoft starting to come down a little bit and unwind. Where could we possibly go in the S&Ps too? We're looking for those Asia lows right now. It's probing those Asia lows. It's interesting to see too that we haven't had really like a big uptick for like a nice pitch and catch pattern. I don't know if we're gonna get it either, so. Just auctioning under 380 right now. Let's see if that ADP news comes out at the quarter of the hour, and then we can kind of take it from there. Those London lows are just below 360, so that might be where the NASDAQ wants to flush to. We did take out these bidders that are stacking in, so there is definitely sellers still on the tape. I think the open's going to be really clean too, to be honest. What's up, Trade for Pips? See if we reclaim 80s at all here. I'm looking for like a nice pitch and catch. There's your 80 reclaim. I'd like to see a big offer show up. On my Rips indicator, I'm not seeing 4-hour lows and London lows, and I don't understand why. You have to enable them. You have to click the button and enable them. Literally, enable them. Right? 4-hour, if you turn them off, they won't show on the chart. You have to enable them. Okay, so we're pushing up to 85 here. I think we're probably gonna have to wait for the quarter of the hour. Yep, news in 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Previous week low, maybe. It is pushing up to 69.50 here in the S&P, so this could be a nice contention point. We're right at 390. See if it wants to take 395 or if it's going all the way for 400. I'm completely flat, just watching. D-Cross, thank you for the 5 months. Appreciate you. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have notifications turned on so you can see whenever we go live. Hit the thumbs up button too. It does help out the algorithm. The order book is clearing out in the S&Ps, preparing for the non-farm. They're ADP. ADP. All right, let's see. 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. It is rejecting underneath 95, so again, I'm flat, so I don't want to be live, or I don't want to be in a position for the print because it could be so wicky and wild. S&Ps are holding at the VWAP or just above. There's the order book clearing out, so be careful. Plus 22,000 versus plus 45,000, so a weaker print there. Very low liquidity, so let's wait for the order book to fill up here. Microsoft is printing a green candle, or trying to. It's flat. It's a flattish candle. So we're holding right around these 90s right now. We're not pushing above them. And we're right at 69.50. The more we push at this level without breaking through, the more I think that we're probably going to start to visit lower. Just waiting for it to push up here. Microsoft is pushing up a little bit. Amazon's still flat. Google is just above the moving averages, and the S&Ps are also the same. Just collective moving averages there. See if it pushes all the way up to 400. It's holding just around 400 here. So 400s are rejecting, but again, it's just very choppy, very, very choppy. Microsoft is showing some strength. It's underneath the VWAP, so if it rejects below, maybe we could see that start to roll back down. Still too choppy for me. We're going back to this volume shelf that's just tucked underneath 410 right now. Might be too choppy to take a trade. S&P's also at 69.53. Just holding right now. Points gamble, points gamble, points gamble, points gamble. Did anybody say points gamble? Points gamble, points gamble, points gamble. Rips, points gamble. Hey, is there a points gamble? Anybody say anything about points gamble? Just 65 of you. Trust me, I don't see it at all. If there's less than 100,000 points gambled, I'm gonna be big sad. Double rejection there at 410. Holding at 400s for the time being. See if we get one more rejection here underneath 400. I'm surprised at how choppy it is. I think we missed our entry due to the points gamble, points gamble, points gamble, points gamble. It's still too choppy. Yeah, yesterday's drop was insane. Mr. Kofifi in Clubhouse made 40 grand on it in TPT. 4 TPT accounts, he made 40 G's. So sick. Did you guys see the new rules in Top Step about the restricting the minis and you can only trade micros now, which is, I think, a better thing for most traders because you're not going to blow accounts. Trading the minis is insane, in my opinion. Boy, this is just so choppy. We might have to wait for the open to trade NASDAQ. So freaking choppy. Gold choppy, silver choppy. We're right at 69.50 in the S&Ps now. And we're trading right at the daily open in the NAS. Yeah, gold is going crazy. What's the yap about points? It's over in Kick. It's free to watch on Kick. You get like free prop firm accounts for watching over there. Still way too choppy to take any trades here. I'm just trying to find a decent look in the order flow and it's just disgusting. Maybe at the bottom of the hour it will clear up some. Point scale was the best thing, yeah. Mark Brannigan, you have 223,000 points. What are you gonna buy? What are you thinking? What's the Kick link? Rips or Nightbot has posted it like 5 times. It's just right above your head there. Kick.com/selling rips. We could easily see the NASDAQ building a lot of orders down here on the bid side and then just rallying for the session. So I want to keep that scenario in mind too. I just hope we get a nice clean move in NASDAQ. That's all I want. I just want a nice, super duper clean move in NASDAQ. That'd be lovely. $150K eval. It's a $150K lightning funded. That's not an eval. It's a straight to funded account. Yeah, there's no evaluation stage in that account. Every single trade you take counts towards your payout, which is lovely. Still choppy. Back to the daily open. S&Ps are still above 69.50 here. If you're trading this, it's probably very much touch and go. I have not pulled the trigger yet. Where do you trade your points for evals? The 3 dots that are next to your points. That's the channel point store. Just click those 3 dots next to your points. Yeah, that's a Lucid Flex eval. I was talking about the Tradeify Lightning Funded. Oh, that's 750,000 points. I see. I see what you're saying. I see what you mean. Back to 69.50, back to the daily open in NAS. Some loud music, damn. Looking at adding a monitor, thoughts on which one? What's your setup like? What are you currently running or working with? Bitcoin's rolling over. Yeah, there goes the NAS. Wow, nice move. Missed it. I was drinking. I was heavily drinking. There goes the S&Ps as well. Maybe a rebounce at Asia low here. Back to that midpoint of that volume shelf. Yeah, this is definitely a very scalpy market. And I have done nothing yet today. 42-inch now, 5060 Ti. I like the super ultra wide screen, so if you want to check out the 49-inch from Samsung, or if you want to go the really big dog, the 57-inch from Samsung, is which I use both of those. I like the super ultra wide though. There's so much room for activities. Music is so fucking loud. No Saratoga. No, it's in the other fridge. Bottom of the hour, we're going to get the Treasury quarterly refunding in less than 5 minutes. So that should be some interesting liquidity. That was a really nice bounce there. 30 handle bounce. God, dude, I'm catching none of this. Like, I'm just watching this. I don't know why I can't pull the trigger this morning. I'm literally just watching every single move, and it's like, that was a clean move back up to the north side there. Just feels very thin and choppy. I don't know why I can't pull the trigger. You have 257s, they're great. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the 57s. They're great. They're fantastic. Did you have for breakfast this morning? Water. Water and black coffee. I don't eat until noon. I'm doing 1 meal a day right now. Well, actually 1 p.m. because I do the power hour streams now, so I don't eat until 1 p.m. Got me hooked on Saratoga. Love it. Yeah, it's delicious. It's great water. How many calories in one meal? About 1,200. Definitely going for a deficit right now. Gold pushing. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's too choppy for my liking. Like, I can look at the tape here. It's just like, nothing I want to be touching right now. It's just too choppy altogether. Everything is very thin right now, unfortunately. Which, for props, is not great. If you're trading your own real money, you can navigate it a little bit better, but I don't know. It's very thin and very choppy right now. How tall am I? 6'1". Right now, I'm like 198 pounds. I'm trying to cut down to like 175. So we can't trade minis for gold or silver at all now with Top Step. You can trade the micros, which I think, again, is better for you. There's so much movement, you don't need to be trading the minis. Minis will clap you. We would be bottom ticking if we were to go long, which has wrecked me more than anything in my short career. I don't get it. Be careful with a big deficit, might affect your trading. Got to be wary of that. Yeah, I mean, doing 3 streams a day as well is a brand new thing. I'm extremely exhausted today. Extremely exhausted. You're doing OMAD as well. 3 months now. I went from 6 foot. You're also 6 foot. Went from 215 now at 195. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, no sugars. 1 meal a day. High protein, low carb. Broccoli, chicken, and steak. Very easy. Very, very easy. As soon as you left last night, GC picked up. Imagine that. 1 minute to go until we get the quarterly refunding, I believe. Be careful if you're in a position. I literally have not touched, look, I've not touched a single thing. Nothing. Zero. Nothing traded. I'm literally just sitting here watching the whole fucking time. You take a lot of supplements? Not a lot, but yeah, I take supplements. I take Steel supplements. That's the only brand I trust. My testosterone last time I got checked was like 600. On natural. I don't take any TRT or anything. I get it tested again in, I think, 2 months. 2 months. You don't get hungry. I mean, dude, you can either be a tummy ache survivor or you can be a bitch and cave to hunger and be like, I need snacks. I'm an adult male and I don't have self-control. Pick your path, you know what I mean? I have a tummy ache. Quarterly refunding is out. They're going to sell 58 billion in 3-year notes, 42 billion in 10-year notes, 25 billion in 30-year bonds. They keep most auction sizes unchanged for the next several quarters. Interesting. Wow. That's kind of weird, actually. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't trust that dive either. That was very thin. Are you streaming the New York session now? I think that's what this is. I stream New York, Power Hour, and Globex. Book really thinned out going into that Treasury news. Yep. I don't know how to interpret that. I thought they would have increased the size of the auctions. That's weird. So, I mean, dude, to make a projection like that is just, I did not expect that at all. $5 MGC just feels like a small amount to trade. Like silver, I perfectly understand, but gold, I don't know. I mean, gold is moving so much, dude. Can't trade gold, micro at all on silver. MGC J6. MGC J6. Try that. PMI is coming out at 10, yeah. Correct. Dude, this whole market's just been so choppy. I'm like stocking a position, and like the tape is just not giving me anything, so. Gold, gross. Silver, I'm not gonna touch, obviously. Don't know what to do. I wanna try to take a trade. But I might have to wait until the open. Been stocking for 32 minutes and I've seen nothing worthwhile so far. Yeah, it's very choppy, very thin. Dude, it's not even just that it's choppy, it's extremely thin. Sometimes you can navigate chop when it's thicker, but it's like, you're talking about 3 or 4 tick spreads, 5 tick spreads, sometimes like 7 to 10 tick spreads. Crazy town. So annoying. It's the thinness. Like, you see how it just like They spike it towards 81 and then immediately retraces to 85. It's just like, that's not good tape to be trading. What's up, Forex? Pretty silly top step would limit MGC size in a sim environment, especially when they'd want you to blow up. I mean, I think they're probably trying to get you ready for the live environment. I don't know. I don't know what the argument is there. Top Step is definitely trying to get traders live because they have a brokerage, or they're coming out with a brokerage, a waiting list for a brokerage. I'm guessing that they want people to learn how to be good traders. GC is kind of a YOLO when you're talking about like having, what do you have on drawdown? $2,000, $2,500. Here comes the drop. Dude, see, but this is what I'm saying. You see how fast we retrace? Look at that on Bookmap, dude. Look at that retracement, dude. And look at how thin the retracement is. This is why I can't trust this market right now or take any, like, look at that. Like, there's nothing that I can do to get into a market like that, especially when I'm trading a sim environment, right? On all of my funded accounts, it's all in a sim environment. So I can't, that's way too risky for me to touch. You see what I'm saying? It's not feasible for me to trade this. What the hell would they want you to get into a brokerage? And not, although I have TST, no way to put in personal there. I mean, that's your free choice, you know? I'm sure some people really want to get on there. I'm sure some people are like, you know, I love Project X, I want to get on there. Everybody's different, man. Like, dude, do you understand how ridiculous it is to most people that I traded all last year on TradingView with a multiple $1 million account and made multiple millions of dollars? Do you understand how absolutely ridiculous that is? To a lot of people. You did that on TradingView? Clicking buttons? Are you retarded? You play any sports? Played hockey, played football. Wow, what the fuck was that? Holy shit, there you go. No idea, waiting. No idea, nothing yet. Equities, hello? Tesla, a little bit. Well, if you were short, fuck you. If you were short, go fuck yourself. I wish I was long there. That would have been nice. And I'm not going to short that because I don't know what it is yet. I'm not getting anything on the squawks. Is it Bitcoin? What was that, man? Gotta check Bitcoin? No, it wasn't Bitcoin. Nope. No squawks, no news, no nothing. There's some price targets from a few people, but nope. Time was it at 8:35? I have no idea, bro. Somebody sneezed on their terminal. That was me accidentally buying 1,000 contracts. No. I have no idea, man. No clue. No, not earnings, no. No squawks, no news, no nothing. That was the market reminding you that if you were short, that you are not in control. That's the market just reminding you who's the boss. It's Tony Danza. Chart looks like a barcode. All cry. Better just to wait, like you said. Yeah. Unders one. Let's see. 8:35. 400 evens. Wow. 8:35, 400 evens. You guys got screwed. Trying to show it on stream. Right here, 8:35. Unders win. Overs got screwed there. That was crazy. Maybe that was somebody who was betting the overs that was just trying to get their channel points situated. Dude, look at the 1 minute chart right now on NASDAQ. What the fuck is that? Jesus. So gross, man. Give us something to trade. I'm like you guys crying about the channel points. Like, give me NASDAQ. Give me something to trade. Come on. Okay, let's do one for 906. 10 minutes for this prediction. Run it. I did not play any college sports, no. Played sports before college, but nothing in college, no. So when is the Apex sale? I think Valentine's Day. Let me just double check. My stream deck is back on my desk. I'm so over looking at the market for trades. I'm so tired right now, man. Fuck. Let's see. February 4th. Wait, what? Dude, today's your last day. Lock in. Today's your last day on Apex for 90% off. Lock the fuck in. There you go. Lock in while you can, baby. I have my 250K Apex PAs and wealth charts that I still haven't touched. Literally have not touched them. Dude, now I'm scared to short because it's like, what if they come back and give you a boner candle Randall? I think we just have to wait for the open. Oh, my stream deck back. I think we gotta wait like 52 minutes here. When the market doesn't give you lemons, you can't make lemonade. Remember that. No trades. I haven't traded since Power Hour, dude. Power Hour were my last trades and we banged it out. Bunged it out. It's the same thing I was doing today. I was like, kept on looking and looking and looking. I kept on calling out areas of price and I was like, oh, if it crossed 85, then I'm gonna be looking for a short. Goes to 85, hold. Gold was like 49.50. It's like, hold. I'm like, dude, can't do anything here. It's terrible. But then, of course, you know, when I locked up for the day, of course, it goes ballistic, I'm sure. Somebody said in the kick chat, they're like, yeah, after you left, gold went crazy. Shocking. I think gold moved like 250 points from where I was watching it from, right? I mean, dude. Yeah, so this is when I stopped. Gold moved 150 points when I stopped watching, of course. This is right when I wrapped up, right here. This is what I was watching. This shit right here. Gold moving in a 17-point range, very choppy, skipping around. Like no way you could trade it in a prop or an eval or in a fucking funded prop. NASDAQ giving us the best market of our life this morning. Holy smokes. It's so good. I noticed after a big move like yesterday, it chops the next day. I think regular trading hours are going to be a treat. I really do. I think we don't need to wait for too long, but we can line up and take a couple nice trades and be done for the day. I'm so tired right now. Globex sucked the life out of me. I'm used to like winding down during that time. Like snag a quick little Globex trade and then be done for the day. FNAS, man, I'm getting wrecked. Why are you trading it? If I'm sitting here telling you, I'm like, this is the worst environment to trade props on. Why? What are you doing, man? Why would you ever trade it? I don't get it. I'm telling you. But I guess, you know, don't trust the guy who's streaming. I try to be so helpful. Like, yeah, this is like terrible to be trading. Man, I'm getting wrecked right now. NASDAQ, what should I do? You know? My stream deck is over here. I'm not touching a damn thing right now. Does TPT have a consistency rule on funded accounts? No, dude. That's what makes them so crazy. Not only do they have daily payouts, but there's no consistency. You can make 10K in a session and withdraw it. Next session, make 50K or 40K, withdraw it. Next session, make 25K, withdraw it. You only trade Globex during times of high volatility. I only trade when there's good setups, or I try to, like, obviously I'm never gonna know, but like I try to take only good looks that I think are good looks in the market. This is an awful look right now in NASDAQ. Gold, I don't want to touch. It's too thin and spotty. There's nothing really that I'm interested in trading right now. Honestly, the only bad thing about TPT is the trailing drawdown, which is really tough for most. But once you get over it, it's done. It goes away for the lifetime of the account. You just need to trade micros and you need to take it slow. That's it. Was the Globex P over the last few months just a byproduct of GC? No. There's good Globex sessions, dude. I've had, like, dude, I kill it in Globex. Look at my, I was trading NASDAQ and Globex for a lot of the trades that I was posting last year in my personal account. Manhandling Globex. Isn't it end of day trailing though? Not in TPT in the first thing. It's actively trailing, but when it's done, it's done. It's not end of day, no. It's an active trailing drawdown, but once you get out of it, it should take you like 2 or 3 trades to get out of it. Or 4 or 5, I don't know. Is there any chance you can put the tape on your screen and show us why you don't like it? I've been talking about it all morning. I'm just zoomed out right now. I mean, I literally pointed out exactly what I didn't like about it. I seriously just did there. I'm not gonna do it. I already did this. Up 43 bucks. Time to sit on my hands till the open. 43 bucks is $43 more than I've made today. TPT is end of day. It is not. I'm talking about pro accounts. I'm talking about funded accounts. Funded. Evals, test accounts are end of day. 2 or 3 trades to get out of it, and that's taking it slow. I mean, I'm talking about like the 50K and 25K accounts. It's very small. It's $2,000 per account. I have the 50K TPTs. My take is prop from should, and in some cases do copy their top traders in the live market profit from it. Yeah, they do. They also fade their shitty traders. They have algos that fade all of their shitty traders. They have algos that copy their good traders. A little mix of both. Difference between Pro and Pro Plus. Pro has a trailing drawdown for the first little small part of it. And then after that, it's an 80-20 split on your profits. Anything over the buffer, anything over your trailing drawdown is a buffer. It's your profits. Once you get out of it, it's gone for life. Pro Plus is a 90-10 split, and your orders actually hit the tape. What do you think about the Tradeify Select plan? I think it's good. Daily payouts, but you're capped on your daily payouts. So there's give and take for all prop firms. Like TPT is daily payouts, but you have to get through the trailing drawdown first. S&Ps and NASDAQ are coming down. We're actually seeing a tighter spread now. See what happens at the top of the hour, 15 minutes from now. Wow, I'm red across the board in my whoop. No sleep. Terrible. Just doing my Whoop journal right now. Wow, that is awful. That is terrible. How is that possible? I got an hour and 33 minutes of sleep. Jesus. An hour and 33 minutes of sleep. No wonder I'm so fucking tired. Hour and 33 minutes. Yikes. How are you up right now, bro? Because I'm here to stream for you guys and provide as much value as possible that I can for this free community that we've built. That's why I'm up right now. He also wants to trade. Not particularly, no. I'm actually surprised that it had this clean of a drop down to 70s here. Hour 33 is criminal. I'm feeling it right now. It's tough. It is tough being Ripsy, I tell you. It is tough. Having a nice fade now. Nvidia's fading. Microsoft's coming down a little bit here. We are seeing a lot tighter spreads, which is good. We are peaking down into the previous week low. S&Ps are comfortably below 69.50. So, I mean, this thing could start to tumble here. We'll see. I mean, if it broke this strong low here, if it actually broke this low, it would be a very violent pull to the downside because this is a lot of support down here. So let's see. It's just below 60s is where we see like mega violence. If it can actually pull through that. There are some people that are trying to sell it. Let's see if we have any connection lower. Looking below here, below 55 or so. Be curious if it can actually forcefully drag through that 55 level. S&Ps are going for it. A lot of overhead supply. A break of 50s would be so crazy. I wonder if we get there before the top of the hour. It's trying. A lot of weakness in Microsoft and Nvidia. So if this carries below these 50s, yeah, there you go. Nice slam. See if you have this carry through the 50s now. Watching. There's a big area of price right here, right at these 50s. Watch. It's trying. Watching this 50 pull. Watching. It's trying. Cover that there. Up. What is that? $7,000 in TPT. Walked you through that entire trade. Who else got that? Patience, baby. That's all we needed. A little bit of patience. A little bit of patience. God, I'm tired, dude. Oh, I'm so tired. My TPT accounts are 50K accounts. 50Ks. Nice. Dude, who took my reversal exit? That's too funny. Dude, I'm looking over here and I look back. Who took the reversal? The Ripsy reversal, the classic. The Ripsy reversal is undefeated, bro. One day I'm going to take the Ripsy reversal. I swear to God. It's unreal, dude. Look at that move, bro. What in God's name is happening? How is that even real, bro? How do I do this every time? The Ripsy reversal. That's crazy, dude. Dude, Big G, you got it. Nice, man. Everybody always gets the Ripsy reversal except for Ripsy. Dude, I could literally pass out at my desk right now. I'm not even playing with you. How are your Apex accounts? Literally untraded. They're all at zeros right now. PAs and wealth charts. I don't even have the window open. I just realized. Let me see. Okay, logged in. Yep, 250K on all these. Liquidation threshold, 243,500. Distance to drawdown, 6,500. What's up, Ribs? You tired? I'm literally on 90 minutes of sleep. I'm functioning on 93 minutes of sleep, if we want to be exact. 93 minutes of sleep. But yeah, I have not traded these Apex PAs. Remember, I had Apex PAs and Trade-Evade. I lost those ones. And I got the Apex wealth charts ones. You saw I posted the evaluation stage. I passed them in 2 trades, which is insane, with gold or micro gold. I don't remember at this point. 2 trades, 2 sessions. It was a day session at the end of the day, and then the Globex session the following 2 hours later. And I passed them, and they're 250Ks, 6,500 in trailing drawdown. I would really like to do well on those. You see Brian Stonk is going for a $5 million payout. Right now, I've just been trading TPT every day because it's like trading my own money. So 20 grams of creatine. I take 10 grams of creatine every day. 10 grams right now. What accounts are those? What accounts are what? I talked about 2 accounts right there. Which ones? It's in manual mode. What is in manual mode? What platform do you recommend for copy trading TPT accounts? Trade-Evade. The 250Ks are Apex PAs. How are you liking wealth charts? I really liked it for the evaluation stage. I got a call from Rob Hoffman, who's the founder of Wealth Charts, and he said to talk to his COO or something like that, his right-hand man, about the new prop firm version of Wealth Charts that they have. So I got to talk to them before I trade these Wealth Charts PAs. Yeah, the Apex sale does end today. 90% off is over today. So I don't want to hear anybody tomorrow in this stream complaining about, wait, what do you mean? No more Apex. They'll probably go to 80% off for a couple months. Or nothing at all. 50% for a few days, I don't know. This is shaping up to be a pitch and catch, even though I wouldn't trust it when it goes sideways like that. I don't like that at all. Pitch and catches, I like to be instant resolution. Do you know, is the any good news in Apex? Rips, do you know, is the any good news? I don't know what you're saying. Rips, would you mind going over your new indicator a bit about how it works? Curious. Just download it. Get it on TradingView. It's free. It's called Rips Key Levels. Just marks out all the levels for you. That's it. That's it, and that's all, baby. That's it, and that's all. New accounts coming. I haven't heard anything about that, bro. Scalper's just gonna show you the minute high and low, 5-minute high and low, 15-minute high and low, 30-minute high and low, hourly high and low, 2-hour high and low. That's it. I have it set to hourly high and low right now. That's all. Just allows me to see the range. That's it. Did you have a mentor? I've had many mentors throughout my career. Between the 75 activation and 20 cost for eval, TPT and Top Step are better deals. Yeah, but I mean, 20x leverage is insane. Everything is different, bro. It's like Apex has some gives and takes. TPT has some gives and takes. Tradeify has some gives and takes. Like they're all just different flavors of ice cream. For some people out there, Apex is the best opportunity for them. For some people out there, TPT is the best opportunity. I understand we all have differing opinions, but we all just need to understand that Apex will be good for some people, you know? Were your mentors close to you? Only when we were speaking, because I found it hard that when we were further apart, I couldn't actually hear their voice. So they were close to me when they were speaking to me. I just found it hard to hear when they were far away from me, Mocash. Instead of watching the real tape, you just watch the bubbles on Bookmap. What's the real tape? I have time and sales on my screen. I consider that the real tape. Should have used the old cannon string method to talk. Oh, I thought about that actually. Soup cannon string. I did think about that. That's not a bad call actually. Good evening from Australia. What's up, Cyborg? How are you? Jose says Apex is really good for me, but they banned me. I'm sorry to hear that. How much did you make from them before they banned you? TPTR number one. Rips, why not 150K on TPT? I have been trading 150K test accounts just in case if I blow these 50Ks. But I like that the drawdown, the trailing drawdown on the 50K is only $2,000 when you first start the accounts. The max size that you can trade across the board with 5 accounts is 30 minis. I think 30 minis is plenty. When you're trading the 150Ks, you can trade up to 75 minis. You're going to have to build a fucking huge buffer to trade 75 minis. I'm talking like $250,000, $500,000 buffer to be able to trade 75 minis comfortably. So I'm okay with 30 minis and where I'm at right now, you know? What do you think about ICT? If it works for you, do it. I think the man is a retard. Can you not go live in Apex? Why do I hear so many people say they got banned? I don't know. I only hear from my community a lot of people that get payouts. 30 minis, not micros, 30 minis. Apex banned me as well after a 20K year. No explanation at all. Open a ticket in December and no response. Not my company. I have no idea. I do know that out of any prop firm, outside of like TPT did a huge payout to Lanto, but outside of that, like frequently large payouts are in Apex. So I have no idea. It's not my company. I didn't run it. I didn't make it. I just, you know, all I know is my own experience. I've only taken $20,000 from Apex and I took that back in 2023. I have not taken a payout since, but I've also not really tried to trade Apex super hard. This year, I did have a set of Apex PAs that I did lose. I did not take those to a payout. I think I got them 3 or 4 days along the line, but I did not take a payout. What's your max position size for a pitch and catch with 50K TPTs? Depends on the instrument I'm trading. If I'm trading NASDAQ, maybe 15 minis, maybe. I mean, because I have a lot of drawdown, but like maybe. I don't know. That would be 3 minis per account. What is that? 600 per 10. I mean, that's still a lot. Yeah. Coming back down here. Top of the hour, rolling over here. $15 minis on the 2K drawdown. No. 15K minis on, I have a $55,000 drawdown now. 15 minis across all 5 accounts, 3 minis per account, and I have a almost 60K drawdown across the board. So I think that's okay. I think that's fair. But if you're first starting the accounts, only trade micros. Only trade micros. Like, never trade minis in DPT 50K accounts. Only trade micros. What are you, nuts? Do you have that much drawdown because you want to or because you can't take out money fast enough from the firms? TPT is daily payouts. I could take out all but 2K in each account right now if I wanted to. And I'd get 80% of that money. I could take it out right now. But I want to build a huge buffer in my TPT accounts. That's my whole goal. Just build a huge buffer. That's it. Still in the micro phase, just trying to build out the buffer, then switch to minis. No rush, brother. There's no rush. There's no monthly fee on the TPT Pro accounts. It's just, there's no rush. It's all about take it slow. I believe you can withdraw inside the buffer as well as on TPT. If they close the accounts, yes, I think. I don't know. But no, you have to leave a buffer. 500K each, brother. I'm sure they're going to move me to TPT Pro Plus if I have that much. Or if I get close to that much. Is there a tell when stops will get popped before continuing? No, there's no tells for anything. There's just probabilistic odds. That's it. There's no guarantees in trading. We're just we're guessing with as much data on our side. That's really it. We're guessing, and the guesses I take, I like to guess that hopefully I have, like, based on the data, based on what I'm looking at, maybe I have an 80% chance to win the trade. If I don't, get the fuck out. Stop. Right? Stop out, be happy. Okay, I was wrong. Boom, stop out. I think a lot of you folks out there are just scared to stop out for some reason. Like, stopping out is great. You don't have to think about the trade anymore. It's over. Microsoft getting cracked. Yep. Meta too. Tesla's trying to roll underneath. Nvidia's showing a little bit of a green bar here on this 15-minute bar. Amazon is pushing higher. Google's rolling. S&Ps are bouncing. Opium is a strong drug. Yeah, but losing accounts is terrible. Maybe I should do a Red Bull. I feel like if I took a Red Bull, I'd crash out harder. I don't know. What's up? How to be tight? Micros work great on 150K accounts too. Sure, 100%. Yeah, dude. Micros are the wave, man. National in MC only traded micros and he made like 500. He made a lot of money. He made multiple six figures over 3 months only trading micros. Micros allow you to scale into positions a lot better than minis. Like, you can be wrong in your initial entry and be okay. If you haven't traded micros, try trading micros, dude. People don't stop out because they don't want a trade to be a loser. Well, it's a lot better than losing your account, right? Lose the trade or lose your account, which is better? I'd rather lose the trade. Rolling. New lows. We just made new lows. 26 minutes until the market opens now. 26 minutes. Microsoft flushing, Meta flushing, but trying to recover. That was a nice little pop and roll. All right, I gotta do a Red Bull. Dying over here. I guarantee you that liquidity at 2,300 or 300 is real. It's not a big deal. I promise you. Market stop loss always. There's no point in doing limit stop loss. You're gonna get cracked. Natus says, I recently ran the top step XFA to 28K in 2 days, but then started reading the rules, so I've been scalping $200 a day to hit their guidelines, but then I also read they only give you 5 payouts before they switch you live. Is that why big players avoid them? I have no idea. I haven't traded on top step in over a year. Did you say TPD would transfer an account across to my registered email rips for that 50K yesterday? Yes, they did already. I guess I can send you the video on how to claim it if you don't know how to claim it. It's in a coupon code in your coupon, so here. I'll send you the guide. Where are you? There you go, bud. Rolling. Markets are rolling still. If we scroll back, we're kind of in the lower end of this profile too. You can see. Previous day low is not too far off, actually. Gold rips. Not interested in that at all, dude. No thanks. NASDAQ looks much, much cleaner. We're in a huge part of the profile in the S&Ps right now, too. What do we have? 23 minutes till the market opens. I can see this coming down a little bit lower. I'll be right back with you. Don't go anywhere. I'll leave a bookmap on the screen. Don't go anywhere. All right, we're back. Holy smokes. 18 minutes until the market opens. I am exhausted. I did see gold did have a little bit of a... I guess not. I saw it on my phone. It looked kind of decent. Guess not, though. Micros were a game changer for me. Was struggling to pass eval several months back. Switched to micros. Passed 4 in the first month. When you're wrong, you're not getting killed. They protect you from you. Amen. Amazing. I love to hear that. Lido, you're up the same as me. Nice. Well done, brother. What do you think of Trade Syncer? I used it one time and it worked, so I mean, I haven't had like a comprehensive review on it or anything. The last video I posted was about TPT. Try to find it here. Sorry, I'm so tired. 93 minutes of sleep for me last night. It's unbelievable. Oh. This is the latest video I posted. I think that's it. Hold on. Yeah, that's it. Whew. I hope I can make the power hour stream today. Trying. I need a freaking nap. I need to pass out for a while. Yeah, I got 93 minutes of sleep. I'm all in the red on my Whoop. Red every which way. 76 and sunny in Vegas. Yeah, but it's going to get cold next week. It's going to get extremely cold next week. It's the only thing I'm bummed about. Not in the 1%, though. No, not in 1%. I think I've been in that one single time. Take a nap on the live? Yeah, that'd be a sleeping stream. Rip just got a 50K funded, and I know you are trading the same account size. How many micros are you going with, and what is your stops? So when I first started, it was just scaling in and out of gold micros. When I first started the account, gold was moving a little bit differently, and then I moved to NASDAQ micros. I'm just using the 5 clip when I'm copying, so, and I'm using hotkeys, so I'm just pushing into it when it's working and then killing it when it's not. That's it. I would use no more than, like, when you're starting out, and using no more than whatchamacallit? Lost my train of thought. Yes. Sorry, I'm like, I'm very out of it right now. Trade micros. How many micros? Oh, I didn't say 3 to 5. 3 to 5. 3 to 5 per account. 3 to 5 per account. That seems fair. I think NASDAQ will be good off the open, but I want to wait. I want to be patient. I want to be very patient. Video training on how you use Bookmap in your trading. It's coming, dude. 3 streams, still doing long form content, filming every day. Trying my best to give you everything I can for free, DJ Noah. Trying my best over here, man. I don't think I'll do it today. I'm on 93 minutes. Pushing up to 350 and holding here. The longer that we hold underneath 350, the more likely it is we're going to have a down open. 700 orders, baby. 25, 310. Yep, I see it. I don't have a bias up or down today. I'm going to try to steer clear of the initial open, I think. 400 from getting intraday drawdown locked at starting balance on TPT. Trade micros. Trade micros. Micros. Do. Only micros, baby. Is it possible to pass Apex eval? I mean, sure. What do you mean? What kind of question is that? Why wouldn't it be? Is it possible to pass an Apex eval? I hope so. It'd be weird if it wasn't. Do a poll, go to sleep option 1, go to nap option 2. Let's see what the open brings us in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutos. Yeah, I see the big bids, 69.40, 69.38 in the S&Ps. Big bids at 300, 310, 320 something. I see it all. The thing about that though is that they can pull that. They can pull it right at the moment that it's about to touch it. They can pull it if it gets touched. They can completely cancel the order if it's touched. With 1 contract, 10 contracts, 100 contracts, whatever. Yeah, I'm curious what the NASDAQ is going to do. The profile is suggesting we go lower, but I don't like to go into the open with a bias. You know, I hate going into the open with a bias. Just want to try to be smart. Be as smart as possible. Get those winners paid. Let's see. 906. What was it? Let's see. 906, I'm guessing the unders, right? 339. Yeah, that's gonna be the unders. Let's do another one for 946. Five minutes for this one. Thank you for being here, Kawakani. Chop day today in NQ? I don't think so. Based on what tech equities are doing, no, I don't think so. I think it would probably be a clean market today. We'll see. Any funded trading firm that lets you carry positions overnight? Not that I'm aware of. I don't think so. Maybe you could on a TPT Pro Plus, maybe. I don't know though. Maybe on Top Step Live if you talk to Mick. If he's, is Mick still with Top Step? Lucid Live you can? Okay. Oh yeah. Dude, I forgot. I got my Lucid Pro accounts to trade. I got Tradeify accounts to trade. Damn. I got a lot of accounts to trade, baby. Gotta figure out what I'm trading today. What would you do, Rips, if you was in a trade and coming towards 310, you see 923 orders, is that your take profit or see if it breaks through? Depends on how many contracts I have, what the trade ID is, what the tape is moving. There's no finite answers for those types of questions because it's all contextual based on the moment. Trading is all about moments in time. You breached any of the prop firm accounts this year, and do you trade them differently than you do your regular account? Yeah, I talked about it earlier. I had Apex PAs that I breached. I think I've had Tradeify accounts this year that I breached too. I'm pretty sure Tradeify. I always talk about it. Does it make you feel better? Weird question. Yes, I've lost every account, man. I hope that makes you feel better. What a weird question. He's just like us. Shorts got smacked again. Yeah, that's why I'm staying out for it now. Why not trade Top Step? It seems easier to get a payout. How is it easier than TPT, which is daily payouts? How? I don't get it. I mean, it could be somebody covering short, could be somebody looking to go long. We don't know. You know, depends on how much you've looked at the order flow. Because no consistency? Huh? What do you mean? There's no consistency in TPT. So much misinformation in the prop space, I swear to God. Popped my pro accounts yesterday. How much did you have in them? I thought TPT had consistency. No, dude. No. Dude. Man. Here. I'm going to send you this video again. I swear I've talked about this like 1,000 times and I've seen you on stream every time. Here, dude. Right there. That's the video. Check it out. Dude, we're already almost up to 41,000 subs on YouTube. Holy smokes. If you guys are enjoying the show, make sure you're subbed with your notifications turned on. If you're over on Kick, drop a sub on YouTube. Appreciate it. Really do. Give a try to Trader's Launch. No profit cap, daily payout, no consistency. Interesting. Never heard of them. The news at 10. I remembered it a moment ago. Let me see. ISM services. ISM. It's gonna kind of affect the NAS a little bit. I'm on Tradeovate, yeah. That's what's Tradeovate right there. Nice, low to the po. Congrats, dude. So we are pushing up here a little bit. We got 4 minutes until the market's open. Anything can happen. Just take it slow. Be safe. Tradeovate took a huge shiz. Right on. Tradeovate wonky right now? Is it? Mine's working. Mine seems fine. Should I not be trading on it? Can't log in and Tradeovate? Tradeovate error? No, I'm not going to refresh it. No, I'm not refreshing it. It's working for me right now. Why would I refresh it? I like how you guys are like, refresh. All right, we're pushing up here. We have a new low put in. Is Cloudflare down again? Because X is not loading either. Nice push up off those lows. Huge push, actually. 45 handle push off the lows. Damn. Crazy. I caught exactly 0 of that. Something about critical minerals. Trump supports critical mineral prices floors. 928 liquidity just smashed through right there. We are still rising higher here. Damn, that's a crazy rally off those lows. Meta and Microsoft are both pushing. Google's now pushing too. So it's going to be a very interesting open. Very, very interesting open. Inside 90 seconds now. We have news at yes, 9:45 and 10, correct. 9:45 and 10. S&Ps are relatively weaker than the NAS right now. NAS is much stronger. Yep, Tradeovate, do not refresh your page. You will get kicked out and not be able to trade. So be careful. Inside 30 seconds now. Inside 30 seconds. Good luck, everybody. I hope y'all win the most today. I hope everything comes true. All your dreams come true today. It'd be amazing. It would be amazing. Yeah, Apple's pushing up. 5 seconds. Good luck, everybody. Very, very volatile here off the open. Extreme volatility off the open here. Wow. Wow, they are sending this lower. What the hell is crashing so much? Lots and lots of volatility here. So it did shoot down a little bit. Wow, holy smokes, that's coming lower fast. It's gunning for that 300 level where there is a whole mess of bids down there. Showing some weakness. S&Ps are coming down a little schmeckleberry right now. S&Ps and NASDAQ coming down. It's trying to face check this 525 lot order at 300. It's a lot of contracts. Microsoft is pushing up. There they go. They took it. No problem. Wow. Yeah, they... Oh, internal server error. Wow, fuck. Oh, shit. It worked. Wait, hold on. Internal server error. Wait, what the fuck? No. What is it doing? No. No. Why? No. Ah, come on, dude. So annoying. Pushing back up towards 300 here. We almost tagged the previous day low. Wow, really pushing up there. Super strong. So we tagged the previous day low, or almost. It's now wrestling at 300. Currently coming down underneath 300 there. See if it wants to send it much lower. It's trying. At those 50s now. If it breaks below those 50s, let's see. Right now, cannot do it. Super strong underneath those 300s. Still some relative weakness across the board here. Microsoft is showing some strength. Book map freezing a little bit here. Still some sellers here, trying to hold it underneath 300. Definitely some disagreement underneath those 300s. See if it can get back below that 50 level. Watching here. Right now, really just holding. Fighting underneath those 300s, but not ready to break them yet. I would think that if it did break above, it would be very, very strong. And it's starting to peel up here. A big breakout now in S&Ps and NAS. See if we can hold this breakout. $100 points higher here, trying to hold above 50s. See if we can actually hold. Now holding right at 60s, trying to break out a little bit more here, squeezing much higher. Nice pull there. So very choppy market. We had a push up there off those lows. That was like a 100-point push. It's now struggling around these 50s. Curious to see if it'll pull back underneath it all. It was so strong on that run up. $50s, I think, are the line in the sand here. Point of control is exactly at 300. Choppy on the way back down. Does look like there are some shorts getting squozen in here a little bit. Big squeezes. Still dancing around these 50s, looking for a breakout potentially of 70s to the north side, but still very, very choppy. I think early shorts are getting squozen in here. Yeah, gold's going lower. It's very choppy right now across the board. Yep, we have news coming out in 5 minutes, and then at the top of the hour, 15 minutes later. Yeah, ever since Tradeovate started working on Tradeovate Prop, it feels like it's just been a little wonky, huh? Choppy bars from Meta, choppy bars from Microsoft. We are in a range right now, 30 handle range between 30 and 60. Yeah, I don't know why all these trading companies are having issues. It's crazy. TradingView, no issues. TradingView is totally fine. It is trying to trade a little bit lower here. S&P's at the lower end of this balance range. It's trying to break down there below 300s. A little bit of a bounce though. Double bottom there at the point of control for the time being. Meta is pulling back. Nvidia had a nice bounce. Microsoft is pulling back a little bit too. Very range bound still. It's opening up towards these 60s again. Does not want to perk up above those 60s. Very much in a range, waiting for this news. S&P's in a very tight range right now, distributing a volume profile that's like 3 points. Let's see what happens off this newsprint. Still very, very choppy here in this tight range. Well, it's not very tight, but it's a wide range. It's just holding this range right now. Bouncing Meta there. Microsoft looking to break out of the yesterday's close. Above 60 here can open up. It's trying. It wicked right into that 90 level. Still trying. Microsoft popping out there. PMI coming out here. Let's see. Yeah, PMI is coming out. Services PMI. The final January read for the services PMI is coming out. Order books are emptied out, so be careful. Keep your wits about you. Inside a minute now. Curious to see what happens. Order books are pretty vacant right now. Here we go. Very thin. 52 versus 52.7 versus 52.5. So kind of a nothing burger on that print. Muted reaction from equities. Nvidia is still holding above the VWAP. Very muted reaction though. Still trading a touch lower here towards 300. Looks like S&Ps want 646 here. They're trying to grab it. Somebody's front running that 646 level. 300s are holding right now in the NAS. Remember, we still have more news coming out at the top of the hour. That's going to be the biggest print of the day, the ISM. Should see some movement on that. Microsoft's coming down, Meta's coming down. We are holding right now just above a 6946 in the S&Ps. Yeah, it's still having a lot of trouble breaking down this 300 area. And the S&Ps are just holding at 46. So the longer we hold, the more likely it is we'll push back up. Still extremely, extremely choppy. Back to the midpoint here. Let's see the over-unders bet here while we're waiting. 320. I'm gonna check that in a second. I'm trying to watch this overflow. The more weak that we are in facing these 300s, the more likely it is that we're flushing, but every single time we come down, we're finding strength. There are some stronger bidders there. Big push off the VWAP there in Nvidia. Right now it is trying to reach for that higher area of like 90s or so. It's trying to auction a little bit higher, but nothing doing yet. We still have 12 minutes here until the market opens, or till the ISM. And some other music going. This is just too subdued for me. That's better. Yeah, we're in a range right now, basically 290 all the way up to 370. 80-point range. Kind of crazy. Yeah, Rhythmic is what I have on Bookmap right now. It's very smooth. There's no issues with Rhythmic. Yeah, whoever called for a very choppy morning, I mean, look at this. This is crazy. Extremely choppy. Very, very choppy stuff. Wow! That was somebody selling the pants off that thing. Nvidia, maybe? Yeah, somebody just sold the pants off that thing. They're coming down to that 69.46 level. Be interesting if they can actually push through that. Let's see. Through 300, if this tumbles. Starting to go for a little bit here, but not pushing heavily. NASDAQ is stronger than the S&Ps. NASDAQs are pushing up a little bit here. Still having trouble there at 300. Still in a range here. 300s are trying to flush, but it's just not letting go yet. Microsoft is coming down here a little bit. It's trying to break lower here. Having a little bit of trouble to break lower. It's trying really hard. See if it sweeps below 75 here. Some weakness in the S&Ps as well. It's trying to push lower here. Really doesn't want to push much lower though. It's like trying, it's just kerfuffling here. There it goes. If it can hold through this 50 area, we're going to see the S&Ps drilling. Some liquidity here at 50s. It's starting to punch through a little bit here. shoot. Hello? What is going on? What is going on with my orders right now? No. What the fuck? All my orders are frozen. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Oh, man. Jesus. Wow. That was something else. Okay. That's terrible. Wow. Fuck. Oh, man. That's insane, dude. Not only do we have no sleep, but then that happens. That's amazing. That's so fucking terrible. It's like actually unreal. Oh, it's back again. Perfect. Yeah, right after everything just fucked me. It's, yeah, awesome, dude. Fucking A, man. Ah, what a day, what a day, what a day, what a day, what a day. What a freaking day, man. Fucking stupid, dude. I like how, like, whatever. Whatever. Oh, God, it's so fucking tilted. I'm on the moon right now. With tilt. On the fucking moon. So fucking annoying, man. One more minute until ISM is out. dude. How the fuck does it go up the moment I fucking have... How does that happen? How does it actually do that? How does it actually fucking do that? How does it go up right after I get fucked? Like, I just love that. I fucking love it. It's so cool. So awesome. I love props, man. It's so fun. Gotta wait for the newsprint here. Wow. Still drilling. Well, at least I made money in Tradify. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going to happen with my TPT account, so. I made money in Tradify. Wow, cool. Yeah, I know Tradify is back up. Doesn't change the fact that when I press the button, it fucking freaked the fuck out. On my TPT accounts, the ones that I really care about, of course. So, we'll see. I just miss, you know, good customer support, don't you? Don't you just miss the good old days where things just used to work? You press the button and things happen. Yeah, the Percy's fine, bro. Not talking about the Percy. Jesus. God, dude, what a sick unwind. I'd love to be hitting this in TBT right now. Love to be in my TPT accounts right now. God, that's unbelievably tilting, dude. How is it the timing of that? Like the moment I press the button, freaks out, then doesn't let me out. Oh, it's crazy. How much did you lose? How about 50 grand, dude? Jesus Christ. Think I'm fucking crying about $1,000 right now? How about 50 fucking thousand? It's just the timing of it is just hilarious. It's always when I have no sleep too. Like the craziest things happen to me when I'm on no sleep. The craziest fucking things happen to me when I'm on no sleep. It's so awesome. I hope TPT makes it right. That's all I can say. I really do. I sent him an email immediately, so. It's unreal, dude. It's just fucking unreal, bro. It's unreal. Like, I press the button, nothing happened. I press the button, nothing happened. I press the button, nothing happens. And then it's in fucking full size. And it's literally like... Brrr. I don't get it, dude. I don't understand. And then, of course, it fixes, like, right after everything's fucked. So frustrating. Wow, look at that run. Just trying to take out 200 zone. So violent. Microsoft at the VWAP here. Dude, I was like so excited about those accounts. Like, what the fuck is that, bro? Oh my god. It's so sad. It's so fucking sad. How's that happening? No email back yet. It's awesome. Love it. So fun. What's with Cloudflare just fucking ruining everybody's life lately? Jesus. Why? Even my Gmail is not loading. What the fuck is going on today, man? Should have not fucking streamed today. Should have just been like, oh, 93 minutes of sleep. All right. Go back to bed. I don't get it, dude. Dude, oh my God. Why, when I fucking trade props, it's like nothing but problems in props? Like, what the fuck? Was it like this last year for you guys in props? Was it like this last year where it's like every fucking day is like, hey, let's walk through a fucking minefield in Vietnam? No, there's no way. I don't believe you guys. There's no fucking way it's like this, dude. I'm sorry, but no. No fucking shot, dude. It would be impossible to fucking trade. Every day it's a new goddamn mystery of like, what the fuck is gonna happen today in my fucking account? Can't press the green button to buy, can't press the red button to sell. Let's see. There's no fucking way it's like this, dude. I don't believe you guys. There's no fucking way, dude. Yeah, I get it. Like, yeah, you guys are talking about Project X. There's a few, like, intermittent issues, but, like, dude, every day it feels like I don't think I've had one single week where it's just been, like, clean trading. Like, one single fucking week of trading where I'm just like, oh, this is great. Like, everything's normal. You know what I mean? I don't think I've had that. Truly. I don't think I've had one single week where I'm like, everything's normal. The whole week, you know? It's always, like, one fucking surprise after another. Sorry I'm angry, but, like, Jesus Christ, bro. Like, you press the button, things should happen. It's crazy, dude. So fucking tilting and annoying, dude. It's trying to run above this 220 area. It's having a lot of trouble at those 220s. There's a lot of people gassing it up. It wants to explode through it. Very choppy, though. They're not letting 220s go. There they go. Wait. Wait. There they go. Cool. I get a payout now on these, I think. Let me see what the maximum I can take. Payout on Tradeify. At least there's one good thing. What's my I have to lose $36, I think. I don't know if I even want to fuck with that, but I guess I'm gonna do that later. I'm not gonna fuck with that right now. It says my maximum profit day is 1798, and I'm at a 23% consistency. Wait, hold on. Let me see here. If I do this, 18, 36, 64 into. Yeah, cool. I don't have to lose shit. I'm at 19.8% consistency. Cool. Okay, I get a payout in Tradeify. Sweet. At least there's that. Cool, man. Something went right. Dude, losing 50K? Dude, fuck me, man. I'm never gonna not take a withdrawal ever again, bro, from TPT. I'm never gonna not take a payout from TPT ever again. The fuck is that, bro? How does that even happen? Size account. I have 150K Lightning funded. All right, let me go to my other ones. I have Lucid Flex or whatever. No, Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro is what I have. Is the next ones I have. God, I'm so angry right now. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry that I'm being like a downer right now, but like, man, I've literally lost $50,000 on TPT. Like, I could have taken a payout for 50 something thousand. I'm down 50K. Like, dude, it's not fair. I mean, whatever. I understand that electronic problems haven't been like, dude. Like, the series of events is just fucking hilarious. The series of events that happen is absolutely fucking hilarious to me. They don't do anything, Rips. Okay, I don't know. Comedy in the long run. Cool. Glad that my misery is your comedy, man. Nice. Let's see if they will reset it for me. We'll find out. It's just sad. Makes me sad. Makes me really sad. It was Tradeibait. It was Tradeibait's fault. Oh God, this song. This is how I feel right now. Whee! Whee! Everything's fucked. Oh man. Dude, I don't mind losing 50K if it's like a bad trade idea or something. But losing 50K because a platform is not letting you in or out, or puts you in and then you can't get out and then nothing's working and then it's in your fucking face. Like, dude, I just don't understand, dude. I just don't get it, man. It's not Lucid accounts, man. It's TPTs. The accounts that I've literally, like, I've actually, every single day I wake up so excited to trade those accounts. And then today happened. Tell them it happened on stream, so it'd be best for their platform to reimburse your accounts, or else it just makes them look. I gotta threaten them. Dude, that just really sucks, bro. That just really sucks. Don't understand. Nice work, July Peppers. Way to go, man. Markets are doing nothing? I mean, dude, this is a fucking great drop. You know how much money I would have made in this drop, bro? Like, Jesus Christ. Holy shit. 165 points, bro. I make so much money on that. So fucking sad. Y'all want to gamble, or what do you guys want to do? I don't know what to do. They haven't replied to my email yet, so. I think we can yeet. I don't know. Man, no sleep and just, wow. I didn't think that today was, like, I didn't even think that was a possibility, dude. I literally didn't even think it was a possibility. For real. For real, for real. A lot of money. Decent amount. I mean, I make a tremendous amount of money on that trade if I don't have platform issues. That's the thing. I think I would. I don't know. I'll never know, but yeah. Oh, well, what are we going to do? Well charts will make it better. It's not well charts. It's TBT. I guess we can gamble. I don't know. I did not, dude. And I'm functioning on no sleep too, which is the bad part. Like, I'm very slow right now. Pretty retarded. All right. You guys want to, I guess we gamble. I don't know. So just, I don't even know how to feel right now. I'm just so deflated. I hope they make it right. I don't want to trade the Lucid Pro accounts. Tradify, we get a payout, $15,000 payout when it's like, well, you lost 50K on TBT today. Okay. Cool, man. Thanks. All right. YouTubers, I don't know if I'll be back for power. I'm rocked right now. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just rocked. I did not expect that to happen today. We made money on Tradify accounts. Okay. We got to a payout 5 days, or how many days of trading is that? Today's the 7th day. So 7 days is what we traded in our Tradify Lightning Fund 150K accounts. We're going to take a $15,000 payout. 3,000 times 5 accounts. We'll get 13,250 for that. What do they give us again? I don't remember. I'm sorry. I don't know. I think we get 13,500 for that to our bank. So we'll take the payout tomorrow, live on stream. I'm gonna stay live on Kick. I can't speak. I hope you guys have a great day. Hopefully your day is better than mine. I'll be on Kick. I'll see you guys maybe later. Take care, YouTubers. See ya. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry I'm in a bad mood, but yeah.